Exercise 7.1. Question first. Find the distance between the following pair of points. First example 2, 3 and 4, 1. Let A is equal to 2, 3 is equal to x1, y1. B is equal to 4, 1 is equal to x2, y2. Distance AB is equal to root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square is equal to root x2 is 4 minus x1 is 2 bracket square plus y2 1 minus y1 is 3 bracket square is equal to root 4 minus 2 2 square plus 1 minus 3 minus 2 square is equal to 2 square 4 plus minus 2 square 4 is equal to root 4 plus 4 8. Example second, minus 5 7 and minus 1 3. A is equal to minus 5 7 is equal to x1 y1. B equal to minus 1 3 equal to x2 y2. AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square is equal to root x2 value minus 1 minus x1 value plus 5 bracket square plus y2 is 3 minus y1 is 7 bracket square is equal to root minus 1 plus 5 4 square plus 3 minus 7 minus 4 bracket square is equal to root 4 square 16 plus minus 4 square 16 is equal to root addition 32 is equal to root 32 factor 16 2s is equal to 16 square root 4 root 2. Third example, A comma B and minus A minus B. Point P A B is equal to x1 y1. Point Q is minus A minus B is equal to x2 y2. Distance PQ is equal to root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square is equal to root x2 is minus A minus x1 is minus A bracket square plus y2 is minus b minus y1 is minus b bracket square minus a minus 2a bracket square minus b minus 2b bracket square minus 2a bracket square is 4a square plus minus 2b bracket square 4b square root 4 common into brackets 4a square divide 4a square plus 4b square divide 4b square is equal to 4 square root 2 under root a square plus b square.